Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, first color name sky blue color, orange color, blue color, yellow color, light pink color, green color, purple color, pink color, brown color and red color. Kids, shapes drawing. Green color, rounded rectangle, rounded rectangle, pentagon, pentagon, circle, cube, kids, cube, square, square, sun, kids, sun, sun, color fill kids. Rounded rectangle, yellow color, light pink color, pentagon, light green color, light green color kids, circle, black color kids, black color, cube, black color cube, red color kids, square, red color square, sky blue color kids, sun, rounded rectangle, pentagon, circle, cube, square, sun. Kids, like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.